Here I've built for my shop a electric door lock. I have a key switch, a push button which actually unlocks the door, and then I have a switch that turns the lights on and off automatically. There's the power LED and then the LED saying that the door is unlocked. Put the keys in. You can tell power LED is turned on, meaning the circuit board inside has power. The green LED is off, meaning the door is not unlocked. Turn it on, green LED turns on. Turn it again, disables the alarm system. I have to come over here and take the deadbolt off. Here we go. Then you push the button, the door actually opens. Then you just pull the door. I'm using a door automatic door lock solenoid out of a 94 Chevy Suburban, where I have that wired along with a camera. So from my computer in the house I can see right here. I have a camera behind there following the wire. It goes into the house, plugged into my computer, so I can see if there's anybody out here trying to get in. The light, the switch out there, is tied in with that switch there. I do have a light switch in here. I also have this bypass, which this is a bypass for the key switch. So let's say you want to unlock your door, you flip the switch up. For testing purposes I have the white LED, but outside there's a green LED that turns on. I have a voltmeter right here. It tells me how much power the control circuitry is getting. You have to unlock the panel here. I have a cooling fan because during summer it does get very hot in here. Here's the circuitry. It's very small. There's a red LED and a green LED. Red LED means that there's power. The green LED means that the door's unlocked. If I turn that off, the LED turns off. This is the power supply for the door system. I have a power transformer that's putting out 10 volts 1 amp. That's for the alarm. All this is wired into the building's electrical system. I also have a backup battery which I need to get wired in to all this at some point. I'm hoping to get that done tomorrow. I'll go ahead and close all this. And that's other thing is the control board also is programmed, because these keys have an RFID chip in them. Right here, these keys have an RFID chip in them. So if you're not using the right key, the door will not unlock. So it looks for that specific code. And that's my automatic door lock.